You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciations. How to pronounce in English. Let's break it down. They look similar, they have a different pronunciation. If you want to learn more useful vocabulary in English, stay tuned. We've got many more videos for you. The top word here is pronounced farm in British English or farm in American English. Farm, an open A sound. The bottom word is pronounced form, a more closed mouth form. Farm, you open your mouth for this one, farm, form. So the farm is where you have animals, where you grow cattle, animals, farm. Form is the shape of things, form. Farm, form. Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.